apartment. As you can see, carpeted throughout. Decent size bedroom, closet, good size closet. All right. And some coat closets right here. As soon as you walk in, opens up to this nice living room, a few windows. This is facing the side. Sorry for the nighttime video tour. Just have to make the most with our time right now. So got a nice well-lit bathroom, standing shower tub combo, toilet, sink, vanity. This is partitioned. Lots of counter space. Gas stove, cabinets, more counter space, big fridge, cabinets. And one of the best features about this unit is the alcove off to the side of the kitchen. And then the other cool thing is your own private patio. Okay, so it's kind of, it's partitioned. That would be your neighbor. It's just a couple of houses. Again, apologies for the nighttime tour. Heat and hot water are included. All right. No parking, no laundry on site. And you can find both of those just a couple of blocks away. Hope you enjoyed the video tour. If you have any more questions, please contact Angel at Leopold McMasters. Thanks, and have a good one.